Firewall. Firewall provides you an idea about how secure the internal resources are. Information collected would be types of firewall such as stateful, stateless, and application firewall. Also, vendor specific firewall vulnerabilities, if any. And the tools that we'll be using here is shodan.io and Google Docs. Let's have demonstration of each one of them one by one. This time we will try to find out the firewalls using shodan.io website. Let's visit the site shodan.io and log in to the website with the credentials that I have. I used Google as my credentials to log in, so I explicitly mentioned firewall in the search text box. Now I am able to find it out. As you can see, I can filter the firewalls by the country names. I have gone with United States. Here are the firewalls that are available up and running in United States, along with the organizational names and at times the firewall vendor. I can also opt for city, United States. I selected California and the port should be 23, which is a telnet port which is generally vulnerable. I click OK. I have removed the California because I couldn't find any results, so I stick to the port number 23 and United States. Now the organization name is displayed, the ISP is displayed, the last update is displayed along with host name. It provides me what kind of server is located over there. Let's try to get information about the firewall using Google Docs. For this, I visited exploit-db.com and I'll search for Google Hacking Database. Now I'll search for firewalls. As you can see, I have found out many Google Docs for firewall. I click one of them and here is the search criteria. I search it via Google search engine. If I click this particular link, then I found out that this page is displayed because the firewall doesn't allow me to log in. Similarly, let's try out some other web page like this one. Again, you find that it redirects me to different page, and similarly it's applicable to other sites.